back to my channel, Milo R. Once again, we're here with the 2008 Infiniti G37, and I wasn't really planning on making this video, but you know, we'll see how it turns out, man. This is the way it looks like right now. See the side, okay. Back here. So, like I said, I wasn't really planning on making this video, but hey, haven't made a video in a while and want to make something nice. So, still hoping to get that 20 subscribers. So if you're watching this and you like cheap, easy stuff to do to your car, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, man. You know, I still have some more plans for this. I'm still gonna do the the rear trunk spoiler, or duckbill spoiler, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna attach these new parts I bought, show you what it looks like after, and then explain how I did it and bring the materials you need. Stay tuned. All right, thanks for staying tuned in. I don't know if you can tell already. You can see it. So, put the front, I guess you can call it like a front lip. You can tell I'm still having a little bit of issues with the tape, but I'm gonna be going through and adding some of these screws with the washers. And I did the side already. All right. And I did this side back, whatever you want to call it. See, I'm still having a little bit of issues with some of these really staying put, so I'm gonna be, oops, right there. I'm gonna be putting some of those screws, like I said. But here's the other side. It looks okay. But still some issues all around, but it's all right, man. Came out pretty good. I mean, for like what, like 60, 70 bucks? All right, so, sorry, I'm breathing really hard. I'm tired. It's hot out here today in California, man. It's like 90 degrees, even inside this shop. All right, so as you can tell, we have some issues still. We're gonna get that fixed with some screws. But let me show you what you're gonna need. So pretty much I bought this stuff. It's like a garage door seal, and it pretty much goes underneath the garage door. And it's got like this little lip. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. You've seen all the videos, but this one is for the Infiniti. So you could see, so it goes up like this on there, and then you get that nice little edge. So before I applied the double-sided tape, all right, so this is what you're gonna need actually. You're gonna need at least 3 packs of this. At least. If you don't use it, return it. Get 3. Now, this is where I kind of went a little bit expensive. I put 3M double-sided tape across the whole thing. I've seen people just do sections, like little squares of it. But I did it on the whole thing because I really want it to stick. And I'm going to use screws. And you saw, I mean, it's obviously not sticking very good. 3M double-sided tape. And then this door seal, bottom door seal, garage door seal. And I use this to wipe it down first. And I actually scrubbed it with a little scrubber underneath. Scrub the bottom of it, and then I wiped it with a towel. And then after I scrubbed it, I wiped it with a towel. I took a clean paper towel, some alcohol, and I wiped it so it'll stick on there really good. So like I said, I mean, for 60 bucks, I went the more expensive route. You can just use screws, but it's a little bit harder if you're by yourself like me. So, I mean, if you look at it, avoid that. If you look at it from this side, I mean, you could tell, man, it's got like that nice little, I don't know, like something different, you know, something fun that's cheap. My favorite things, fun and cheap. So this needs to go away. All right, and that's it, man. We're gonna check back in once I go outside and get the bolts in. I mean the screws in there, so it's nice and tidy. And then I'll check back in with you guys. And after this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as promised, here it is. I was able to put some of those tiny screws I showed you all the way around the front just by putting a piece of wood underneath my tire and driving it up carefully, and then being able to fit the drill down there. So I was able to do the front corner all the way around and to the side. So what do you guys think, man? Is it worth the 60 bucks to do the whole car? Like, I did the side, all right, I mean the front, I did the side too. Look at that. You can't really tell because of the sun. Let's get closer here. You see that? So, and I also was able to put screws into the back. Don't mind my license plate. See, so now it's like it's like on there for sure. It's not going anywhere. The only thing I have left is to put screws into the sides, on the side right here. I have to line that with screws, maybe just one at the beginning every like 5 inches or so. So yeah, that's it, man. It took me about an hour and a half. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Was it worth 60 bucks? I mean, I'm sure you spent $60 in worse ways, you know. Yeah, Las Vegas or on stupid crap, video games. This is $60 you see every day. This is $60 that looks good. This is $60 that other people will see. You'll wake up every day and see the $60. It's not going anywhere. Unless you don't put screws in there, then it's gonna go onto the freeway. So make sure you put screws on there because the double-sided tape is not good enough. So that's it, man. Thank you for coming. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment down below. Like I said, let me know what you think of this little $60 little, like, it's not really a mod, I guess, but it's something fun to do, you know, something that anybody could do, man. All you need is 2 hands. If you don't have 2 hands, man, you know what? I mean, what can I say? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But this is it. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. On a scale from 1 to 10, let me know what you guys think of how it came out. And I'm gonna just wrap it up so this video isn't too long. Oh, I got that stuff at all Home Depot too, by the way. Very cheap. Very cheap. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you for coming. I hope that whatever's happening in your life, if it's something bad, you just gotta stay focused on what you really want, and you know, don't let other people's energy drag you down, you know. That's the biggest thing. Have a nice day.